Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova S6 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we'll start, two disclaimers. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And the second disclaimer is the Google account. So let's enter the Play Store, and basically you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you do not have one, you will have to either log in right now or sign up. However, if you want to learn how to add your Google account to the device, simply check our tutorial about it. Alright, so now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then tap on My Apps and Games. Now we have to tap on Manage, and here we've got the list of installed apps, so simply tap on Updates Available, and all we have to do is to mark those apps which we want to update. Of course, you can mark all of them if you want to. If not, just mark those which you want to download. Then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.